How to create a dashboard in Excel that updates automatically. To create an Excel dashboard that updates automatically, you can use pivot tables and pivot charts. Here are the steps to create and update Excel dashboard. 1. Select any cell within your data range, and go to Insert Pivot Table New Worksheet. 2. Add the pivot table fields that you want, then format as desired. 3. Once you've created your master pivot table, select it, then copy and paste it as many times as necessary to empty areas in the worksheet. 4. Create a proper layout for your Excel dashboard. 5. Import data into Excel. 6. Create a table with raw data. 7. Clean and filter the data. 8. Analyze your data. 9. Build the Excel dashboard. 10. Create a dashboard scorecard. You can also use Excel formulas to create interactive dashboards that update automatically based on user input. Other tip, use the pre-designed semi-monthly home budget dashboard template in Excel.